A new meme coin trend has started, and it is taking the crypto space by storm. And TikTok is the most viral social media platform on the planet. It's the easiest place to go viral, and it gets the most attention. We know this. Moonshot is one of the hottest applications right now, and it allows you to pay and trade your memes with Apple Pay. So how perfect is this? We know meme coins need attention to drive volume, and we know volume drives price action. So the question is, will this combo of TikTok and Moonshot be the catalyst that welcomes the next 100 million users into crypto? Well, in this video, I'll explain why I think so. So without further ado, let us jump into it. My name is Jessica. Please like and subscribe, and let us get started. We're going to start off with Bitcoin's price. As we do, we are making history, guys. We are looking at a $97,500 and some change Bitcoin. I called it in yesterday's video. If you didn't see it, I'd encourage you to go watch my video. I said it clearly. I showed the indicators why I believe Bitcoin is going to be breaking through $100,000 today or by tomorrow, and how that means this is the beginning, guys. We are going to run to 150,000, surpass that. Who even knows at this point? But it's so exciting to be watching in real time. And then next, here we see Bitcoin's ETF inflow volume by the top institutions in the US. And as you can see, we only had basically BlackRock and Fidelity buy into Bitcoin's ETFs. The rest of that, we also had a bit from Bitwise and ARK. The rest of them didn't buy into Bitcoin's ETFs, but this is not concerning once again, because every fund has their own method, their own formula, reasons for buying. So, this is only bullish news. Once again, the simple fact we even have institutionally approved Bitcoin ETFs to be trading right now. So we have the volume coming in from the top, and then here we have it from Ju, basically showing us a chart that indicates US investors in Coinbase are driving this Bitcoin's rally. So as you can see, everything in green are purchases, the few dots in red are sales, and as you can see, it's mainly like all green, right? So we have tremendous volume coming in from the institutions, tremendous volume coming in from US investors on Coinbase, and this is huge because we know that Coinbase leads the way, right? So like if this is a sign we're seeing coming in from Coinbase, this is another really strong indicator for us. I actually made a video 2 days ago. I'd encourage you to go check it out, where I explain how and why it is that meme coins in specific that get listed on Coinbase, it's almost like a litmus test. It's a measure by which we know a token's going to do very well once it gets listed on Coinbase or Binance. Another extremely bullish sign, guys, this is like the writing on the wall. We have Tether actively minting more USDT. And here by Axel, he says, with the primary clients being exchanges currently experiencing increased demand for the stablecoin. And why is this such a bullish, strong signal for us? This is extremely bullish because it's with USDT that people go buy tokens, right? They go buy Chainlink, they go buy top meme coins, they go buy, it's with USDT that they go buy different cryptos, right? So the fact that we're seeing US Tether, the company, start to mint more USDT, this is a signal that there's a demand for it, especially as is being said here by Axel, it's coming in from exchanges, meaning exchanges are feeling they're getting the purchase orders. So that's a sign that more people are wanting to buy crypto. So it's an extremely bullish sign in general. Every time Tether prints USDT, it's a sign that the market's gonna pump some more. So keep that in the back of your mind. It's just the way it's always happens. And then here we have this by Leon Wademan, and he shows us on this chart how the total stablecoin market cap is about to break new all-time highs. And then he says banana zone loading. If you don't know what the banana zone is, you may have heard it on Twitter, but if you don't, then that's basically like a statement, or how would I say it? It's a meme now, but it is a term for when the market goes parabolic. right? When it goes like straight up. And this is what he sees as happening because once again, as I said a moment ago, there is so much stable coin coming into the market right now. This is a sign that people are wanting to buy more crypto, and we are looking at an all-time high. So that means the parabolic phase of the bull run is here. It's unfolding before our very eyes. We're breaking to new all-time highs. Like it's going to go way higher from here, which is amazing because that volume, that value is going to roll over into our other crypto bags, right? Assuming you're holding good crypto tokens, please let me know what you're holding below and I will comment what I think. It's not financial advice, but it'll be my opinion and an educated opinion. Here by CoinCarrot, he says, Bitcoin dominance update. That's what that means, right? BTC.D. He says, despite Bitcoin's strength, I see many top signals on the dominance, such as an extremely overbought RSI and resistance being respected in this ascending triangle. The pattern has been driving this movement since November 2022. However, a downside break is inevitable and we'll soon see profits migrating to risk. So what you've seen so far in some alts and some memes is nothing close to the massive wave that is coming. So what does this mean here? It means that, yeah, Bitcoin is on the way up, but if we compare it to the RSI, down below, you can see that we have two, maybe it's too small for you to see, but we have two red candles, and this basically represents selling. It could mean, according to this chart, that Bitcoin is nearing its top, and when that happens, Bitcoin will correct a little bit. Maybe yes, maybe no, and if it corrects just a little bit, it's only going to get gobbled up, right? Like if you saw my yesterday's video, you would know that every time Bitcoin drops in price, it's immediately bought up. Only lasts so long and then it's like immediately goes back up. So you don't have anything to really be worried about unless you have a long in or a short in betting on the market trend, which I advised in yesterday's video, not financial advice, but I did say I hope you don't do it because these next few days are volatile, meaning we can't predict exactly what's going to happen because even though we do see this trend, we also know that we have huge whales playing with us in the same pond this time, like institutional funds, like Jeff Bezos from Amazon, we know is fixing to buy a lot of Bitcoin. He's been seen eating with Michael Saylor. Microsoft is meeting, I think, with Michael Saylor like today or tomorrow, also with several $billion looking to invest into Bitcoin. So we do have market catalysts that are unlike any other bull run, right? And that give us reason to believe that Bitcoin could pump despite this chart telling us that it looks like it may correct or go down a little bit. Because remember, this is taking into account only the people and the people's money that are on exchanges right now. So this isn't the whole big picture. This chart right here doesn't say Microsoft is about to buy several $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, nor does it say Jeff Bezos is about to buy several who knows how many millions of Bitcoin. It doesn't account for all the countries of the world that are waking up, all the millionaires of the world that now are waking up to Bitcoin because Trump was elected as president, as the first Bitcoin and pro-crypto president of our entire history. So this chart speaks for itself. It speaks for the people that are represented on this chart, but it does not speak for all these other factors that I just mentioned. Okay, so don't be afraid. Know that we are living history in real time right now. You should only be excited. But that said, don't go long or short unless this is money you could lose, because we cannot calculate. We don't have enough data to calculate for what is really going to happen in these next few days. So that's a point I want to make. Even if it does correct a little bit, this is exciting because that means now that this volume is going to roll over into altcoins, into meme coins. And that is where the true parabolic phase of the bull run happens. That's where everyone actually makes their money. Bitcoin is a store of value. It's like gold. Okay, so some people do trade it. That's a separate topic. I would never trade my Bitcoin. All in all, this chart is very bullish no matter how you slice it, no matter how you see it. As I explained, all the different possible alternatives that could happen based off of this chart. Either way, it's very bullish. And if this was a lot for you to intake, then pause the video, rewind it, and listen to it again, because either way, it's bullish, guys. Moving on. Here we have this tweet by Into the Block. Very interesting and insightful. I zoomed in for you. And basically what this chart shows, I know it's small, but let's go read at the top. The blue line here, the blue squiggly line represents new addresses, new people. Address belongs to a person. So the blue line is new people, new addresses. The black line is price. But at the bottom, we're looking at about 3 years worth of data, starting all the way in 2021 into the end of that bull run, bear market, 2022, 2023. And then if we zoom out all the way, we are at the end over here, 2024, November. And this is what is being said. Says meme coin activity is a strong indicator of retail interest. Currently, activity in most meme coins remains low compared to past peaks, right? So like if you see where we are now, where my mouse is, it's lower than past peaks, right? You can definitely see there were past peaks that were much higher at the end of last bull run. It still remains low compared to last peaks, even as the total meme coin market cap hits new highs. This divergence, or what this means, suggests that retail, or the rest of the world and public, that their enthusiasm or their knowledge hasn't fully re-entered. It hasn't awakened to the crypto space yet. So this tells us that we have a long way to run yet. So if we have so much volume and so many meme coins and a lot of people making a lot of money in meme coins already, this is not even the tip of the iceberg. We have so much more to run. This is huge, guys, what's happening. It's incredible. And then here we have just some more data and reasons for you to know what is happening, like what the shift that is happening in the world towards crypto. Here we have some news. It says breaking. Phantom, the main popular wallet for Solana called Phantom, purple guy on the screen here. It flipped, or it surpassed Google Chrome downloads to become the #2 utility app on Apple devices, according to app stores in the US. So now we have crypto apps. Like not only do we have Bitcoin flipping silver, flipping Saudi Aramco, flipping, Bitcoin is coming after gold. It's going to surpass gold in volume like this bull run, like very soon. Okay. So we have that happening. Okay. We have billionaires buying into Bitcoin. And now we have crypto native apps bumping their way up the chart, surpassing giants like Google Chrome. Okay. So what does this tell you? Start to connect the dots and think about what is going on in the world. Like really, like, wow. Amazing. And next, as if that wasn't enough, Phantom, the little purple guy once again that I was talking about a moment ago, also flipped WhatsApp and Instagram in overall iOS Apple ranking in the US. DWF Labs announces a $20 million meme fund to support chain agnostic meme coin projects. So in crypto, you probably know this already, but there's different chains. Solana, Ethereum, Base, Aptos, well, they all have their popular meme. Well, there's some memes that don't care, like they're not about a specific chain. They're agnostic, don't pertain to one chain. So DWF Labs just created a fund to support chain agnostic memes, right? To support basically interoperable meme coins that'll be able to be tradable across all. So this is huge. People building bridges, that's what we need in the crypto space. That's what we need in the world, connecting old finance and tech, what we call fintech, with crypto and Web3. So this is extremely exciting, really points to the day we were all wishing would come. It's finally arrived. And now we're moving into the future, like we're moving above and beyond. And here we have it from Kaiko saying Kaiko Data, which provides information from all markets, all networks. They say the following. If you can see my screen, then you can follow along. But they say meme tokens have been rallying across the board, but it's not just the price that's soaring. It's also, what's interesting is that token listings or tokens coming onto different exchanges, have increased amid the meme frenzy in 2024, even more on regulated platforms. So this information is from the US, of course, and what they're referencing is down here, what I'm zooming in on. And everything that is in orange represents centralized exchanges, so like a Gemini, like a Coinbase, and everything in blue, this navy blue, is from decentralized exchanges. So you can see we've had a lot of volume coming in consecutively from centralized exchanges. So this is extremely bullish considering there's been a lot, like until very, very recently, until the last 2 weeks when Trump has won the election. Up until he won the election, there was so much hate in the US against crypto projects, there was no clarity on crypto regulation, people afraid to get into crypto or not knowing how to do it without getting in trouble. And so it's very interesting to see that despite the lack of clarity and all the hate against crypto companies and crypto projects, that there has still been an increased listing of meme coins on centralized exchanges. This is pretty huge. Crypto's here to stay, and it doesn't matter how much support or resistance it gets, it is making its tidal waves through the market. So this is a very, very fundamentally strong and bullish. I just shared with you here. And then kind of shifting gears a little bit into what I want to share in this video with you, the crypto alpha. This tweet is interesting. Okay, there's a lot to unpack here, but basically what you see are all the narratives listed out. So all the top trends that have been circulating this bull run, right? We had like TikTok, decentralized DeSci, right? Memorial animals, we had AI tokens, cute animals, cults, right? We heard Murad talking about this. We had influencers dropping their own meme coins and tokens, like what's her name, Jenner from Keeping Up with the Kardashians. We had Pump Fun, you know, like tokens like FWOG and Sigma. We had political meme coins, right? MAGA, Trump, Bowden, so many political memes, especially during the elections. We had Ton memes, we had runes. Okay, so the point of everything that I listed out here is that, and the point that Crypto Choreo is making here, is that the market in crypto moves fast. That's the importance of being plugged in. That's the importance of knowing which crypto knowledge leader and influencer you're gonna listen to. This is the importance of watching my videos, for instance, every single day, because I've committed to making these videos for you every day, which puts you at the forefront. It puts you in the very front of the line in knowing what's happening in the crypto space and what you should care about and what you should act on. Because what I'm bringing you in today's video is not widely circulated yet, but it will be. Okay, so the point that's being made in this tweet is that things move quickly in crypto, and narratives tend to, as he says here towards the end, right? They're like, there's narrative shifts on average about every 2 weeks. But there's some that are blue chips, and these are the only ones that I would ever feel comfortable to talk about, like openly called blue chips, which implies I think they're good meme coins that you might want to look into if you have dispensable income and can afford to live without the money that you will put into these meme coins, okay? Because they're highly risky, highly volatile. I will say it in every single video to forewarn you, this is not money you spend that you would need on food, on gas, on your mortgage, on rent, whatever it might be. You only spend what you can afford to lose, because it's just very, very volatile, okay? But if you have extra money that you could lose and not cry about, then, and you're plugged in, you're gonna be here every day watching the news, getting your news from me, then, or from people like Kyle Chasse, my partner, or people like Elio Trades. I don't know if he started making regular content again, but he was at Rand Nooner's KOL influencer party event. Super solid human being, is a builder. You know, like, you have to make sure you're getting your news from the right people. People like Ivan on Tech. You have to know who you're getting your news from. So if you're not going to be plugged in every single day, following me and following these people that I said, and Banter's team, then chances are you're going to miss the boat. You're going to miss it when the crypto narrative moves from one topic to the other, and you're going to lose all that money. So you want to be very, very plugged in. And if you don't have that much attention and time to spend on this, then only look at the top 10, only look at the 10 meme coins. We call those blue chips. And once again, only still what you can afford to lose. That's it. Moving on, guys. This is the alpha I bring you today, Moonshot. It's an app you can download on your phone from the App Store. You connect it to your Apple Pay, and you can just search the way you can search any app. You can search for top meme coins. I did hear that there are some random meme coins that are not listed, but for the most part, most are. And it's great. This is great for me. Like, A, it makes buying meme coins easier. And B, this is huge and speaks of the volume coming into the crypto space and the money pouring in, because it's so accessible to the normal person, right? You're going to be able to buy Solana meme coins on Moonshot. You're going to be able to buy, definitely all the Ethereum based meme coins. I think you'll probably be able to buy like based, no pun intended, meme coins, right? You'll be able to buy all of them without knowing what chain you're on. And that's what everyone in the crypto space has been saying for the longest time. In order for the rest of the world to onboard into crypto, it needs to be so easy. It needs to be drag and drop, connect to my debit card, no problem, and buy. That's what needs to happen for the rest of the world to enter crypto. And that is what we see right now, right before our very eyes. This is Moonshot. Okay. And if just a moment ago, we saw how huge Phantom has made it, now surpassing Google Chrome on Apple app downloads, under utility apps. If it's surpassed WhatsApp, I mean, come on. Phantom as a wallet, while it's very easy for crypto native people to use, it's not easy for your mom to use. It's not easy for, anyone who doesn't have a lot of time to go learn about crypto, right? Speaking of which, I am rolling out my course. I am working on it, guys. It's coming very, very soon, okay? I'm probably work through the weekend on this for you, but I want to roll it out, and it will be free, and only if you want one-on-one coaching from me will there be a fee. But if not, I decided that the course itself will be free because I just want to help you guys learn. Like, if I could personally help the next million people enter into crypto, I would feel so, so happy and fulfilled. Back to today's topic. This is Moonshot. Go check it out. That said, it does require KYC. It needs to know your nationality and have you upload your ID and stuff. So once again, it's mainly for new people. And this is tremendous once again, because it's going to bring in so many new people into crypto. And what's so brilliant is that they've created a new category of meme coins, the TikTok category. And these are the top TikTok categories. Before this video, I was like watching some of them, and it's funny, and it's spreading, and you're very, very early if you're watching the video. So congratulations to you. But these are the top TikTok memes. CHILLGUY, QUANT, Huzz, Wait, and Winter. Just bringing the alpha to you. It's not my financial advice. Just telling you what's happening in the world so you can make decisions. And then here we have it already. Moonshot in number 33, the 33rd place under finance apps in the store. And this is from an advisor from Moonshot. He says it's coming for number 1. And I believe it, because remember, as I said in the intro, TikTok is the biggest social media platform in the world. It gets the most attention. Like, they mastered the algorithm. It just makes you stay. So can you imagine once Moonshot starts to really take off, which it's going to do once Bitcoin keeps breaking all-time highs, then that value and volume rolls over into altcoins, and then meme coins, and then the meme coins on TikTok. You're listening, and I hope you catch the wave. So this is Moonshot on Dune. Shows you the total volume, total fees. Oh my God. Just check out these stats, guys. Unbelievable. You can see here down below, it's gaining so many new users. We are seeing unprecedented numbers on new user adoption because they launched all the way back in July. So it's not like so new, but like most new things, it takes some time for them to take off, right? So it just started to pump in September, and then went down a little bit, and then it's just been pumping. And now we're seeing a massive breakout. This is tremendous. 261 million, almost $262 million in lifetime volume. Huge, guys. And then here we have it from Rasmer. He says, his biggest takeaway, he says, my biggest takeaway from my stream with my normie friends who trade on Moonshot. 1, they are price agnostic. 2, they DFAG what the MC is or what the price is. I don't know actually what D, am I not cool enough? DGAF, okay? And if they like the meme, if they like them, will gain attention, they will buy it. And then so he wraps it up by saying, your targets. Basically, the moral of the story is that traders, normies, or like normal people that are buying into memes on Moonshot, they don't really care so much like what the price is. Okay, they're not like crypto people. if they don't care market cap is. Like, they just literally go with gut instinct. They like it, they think it'll gain attention, they buy it. That's it. So you may have heard on other channels. If you haven't, I'm here to tell you that the main way in knowing if a meme coin is going to succeed is if it makes you smile or makes you laugh right away. And you cannot overthink it. It's like what Murad said, you know, like believe in something. If you see a meme coin, it grabs your attention and has a good team, okay? It survived its first pump and dump because all meme coins go through that. Even if it's not malicious people, it's the bots. The bots front run everybody. They buy up all the volume. Okay, so you have to always wait for the first pump to pass, watch it correct. And if it survives from there and steadily grows and you watch the community continue to grow and it always makes you smile or laugh every time you see it, then you know you have something with legs, something real. That said, back to what we see on the screen, that's what Rasmer hones in on and emphasizes as what we're up against when all the normies come into meme coins. We're competing with people who don't think twice. They're instinctual. They see it, they like it, they buy it. Okay, so just know this. I'm just trying to give you all the tidbits, all the tips, everything, so you can make your best decisions. And then once again from Rasmer, we have him saying, CHILLGUY, the meme, is a major moment in meme coins. My TikTok For You page is not just dominated by the CHILLGUY meme. It's dominated by the meme and normies who are shilling the meme coin in the comments. Normies have finally discovered Solana and they are in love with meme coin trading. Okay, so he's telling you, like, look through the fog, look through what's happening. It's not just the fact that CHILLGUY, you know, that he's talking about CHILLGUY, that you see CHILLGUY. It's like, look at the engagement. Everyone's like obsessed with CHILLGUY, right? That's what you want to look for. It's so funny and it's so awesome. And then here we have from Degen Treyland. Some of these names are weird. He says, the TikTok meta hasn't even started yet. CHILLGUY is the first mover for what will be the biggest trend in meme coins. Web2 liquidity will gravitate to memes they know, right? Because that's how we all are. We laugh at our own inside jokes, right? So they are going to gravitate towards memes that they know. So you have to think about, this is a bigger question then, like who is on TikTok? What generation are they? What cultural backgrounds are they? What do they find funny? What did they grow up with? What cartoons did they grow up with? Those are the questions that you have to think about in order to know where the meme coin mania on TikTok is going to go or move next. So then he goes on to say, this is how we onboard the next 100 million users, guys. Beautiful. All right. And then just some news updates for you guys. So, you know, Peanut is like the next, it's like a really big meme on Solana. I'm not personally invested in Peanut, nor am I invested in CHILLGUY, but I may go buy both after this. Just a little, just to have some exposure. So he says, this is from Imran Khan. He says, Peanut took 11 days to reach 60K holders, right? And it's a pretty big one. Well, CHILLGUY hit 80K users in 4 days, showcasing the influence of TikTok. So all of this to emphasize what I'm trying to tell you, I'm bringing you one of the hottest new trends. I hope you'll appreciate and like and subscribe because I do this all for you. I'm not earning anything off of this. This is the power of what I'm sharing with you right now. That what I'm sharing with you has run twice as fast as a top performer, okay, in less than half of the time. I think this is pretty wild. I'm gonna like it because this is some serious alpha. Next here we have by Bripto. He says, CHILLGUY probably made my favorite I was early coin ever because I genuinely just was scrolling TikTok, saw the format 2-3 times and thought this would be a pretty good coin and went and found it on a DEX at 4 million and ripped in and started posting. No chat, no source, no alpha, just intuition. So see, this is such a classic example of what I'm trying to emphasize in this video, which is, yes, there is an element of checking off your due diligence list and making sure it has a community and making sure it survives its first pump and dump and making sure it makes you smile or roll your eyes. Like, it has to grab your attention. Okay, but there's also intuition. Intuition or that gut feeling should be part of the checklist because that is what this guy here, Bripto, said he felt and saw. Mind you, he also saw it 2-3 times on TikTok. So that's another sign, right? It's like once you see it pop up again and again. But who knew he was going to find it on TikTok? So if anything, this is like, I don't know, this is like a lesson for us all to just stay connected, stay plugged in. Because if you're on crypto Twitter, you are in a bubble. You're hearing it from the same people as you. But if you want to, it's like in anything. If you want to expand your horizons, you have to go places you haven't gone. Go outside of your bubble. And that's what the Bripto guy did. He was on TikTok. That's where he found it. All right. So that's one sort of like moral of the lesson from this tweet. But the other is that it was just his intuition. It caught his attention, because how many times do you see things again and again and again, but it doesn't grab your attention, right? I had a friend once tell me that, like, if you want to know what your gut instinct is on something, you need to start to pay attention, and you need to start to lean in and act on that little gut instinct impulse that you get. And the more you lean into it, which I'm always actively practicing more and more in my life, the stronger it gets and the better you get at it. So maybe as like training wheels, you can take like a very small amount of money, even smaller than you would spend in your meme investments, just for practice wheels, practice investing in your gut instinct. How it goes. Not financial advice, just some thoughts I'm thinking out loud. I might do that. And then here from Kaito, a research tool, really awesome. They show us that CHILLGUY has the highest mind share across all of crypto today. Already, right here where my mouse is. Fourth in place to Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. And it's already surpassed Doge. That's crazy, guys. And Bonk. I'm probably definitely gonna buy some, just a little. And from Look On Chain, they say, a kid created a coin. This is so funny. This was all over the news yesterday, and I think like part of the day before. So funny. Some kid, I'll just show you, like, I'll just summarize it for you, but you can read about it on the screen. Some little kid, let me show you. This dude, I think he's 11. There's a YouTube video on this. You should look it up. He just like goes for it. He probably heard about memes on TikTok, you know, it's like 11. But look at those eyes. He's a shark. He decides to make a meme coin called QUANT. And then he rugged on his community. It started running. It went up to $30,000, and he just took his profits, and then he's freaking out on the video. So funny, you know, and it's just a lesson. Like, honestly, I was inspired, like not by the rugging part, but by the fact that he just took action, you know, decided just to go make a meme coin, because I have some meme coins I'm thinking about, one in particular, which I think all of you will love, but it's not time yet. So funny. I know Kyle is working on one too. So on the DL, he hasn't launched it yet, but he's working on one anyway. But I was just inspired because, you know, how of us overthink things or take too long, you know, we missed the boat. And this kid just went for it, and then he rugged his community so bad. But you know what's crazy is that he ended up learning his lesson, because people bought it up anyway. Like after he dumped on everyone, a bunch of people bought it up, and it went up to like $4 million. So, you know, he learned his lesson that, like, sure, you can take short-term gains, but you'll miss out on the long term if you cheat. So it was a lesson for him. I doubt he cared, honestly, but maybe he did. Then he went on to create Lucy and Sorry, taking another profit of $24,000. So hilarious, but it just, oh my God, like, this is the world we're living in, guys. Like, here, this is his video.
He just flipped for 30K.
He's twerking over that. Yo, he's twerking over rugging.
Who let him? Who let him online? Oh my God, it's so funny. Oh my God. Anyway, just some funny drama. But the moral of the lesson is do not fade TikTok. Do not fade Moonshot I'm bringing you. Do not fade the tokens that I'm sharing with you. Don't invest in them if you're trying to make long-term gains, okay? Don't. I'm telling you now, it's not for you. You could get burnt, because if you watched yesterday's video, you will see that it's like less than like 1% of anybody makes money, really. Like anything significant over $10,000 in memes. Then there's like a small sliver of like another few points of a percentage that make like about $1,000 on their meme coins. And then it's like the majority of everyone like either makes no money or loses money. So meme coins are extremely volatile, guys, but there is a rhyme and a reason and an art to it. And one of the main factors in succeeding in meme coins is knowing who you're listening to. And I bring this to you on a platter, and I explain my reasons to you, thanks to my amazing research team. So that are all like proper G's, like OGs in the crypto space. So you can definitely follow my content, right? And I will tell you when something's high risky, as I've said like 100 times probably on this video, but it is an opportunity. That said, guys, yeah, so just some more news for you. This is by Dawn of the Apes. He says Quant will probably pump to 100 million tomorrow and then make its way to 1 billion next week. This is basically a crypto GME story. A normie kid deployed and rugged his live stream. Now the crypto community is fighting back to pump the price to let normies know CT always wins, right? So Why? Like, now this meme has a story. That's what's gonna make it fly. You know, like meme coins have to have a story. So anyway, moving on, guys. I hope you're finding it entertaining, if anything. Right, and then here by Meme Radar, these are the notable, just so you're aware, like pause the screen, take a screenshot. It's not financial advice, but take a look, okay, at your own risk. These are the top meme coins ranked according to Meme Radar. So you have CHILLGUY, Sigma, Lock-in, Aura, Huz, Winter, Manifest, Wait, RZLR, Cook, Rot, Mewing, Riz, and Main. Here's a chart for you. Take a screenshot because we will be moving on. Soon I will bring you valuable tokens, guys. But for now, it's meme coins. This is why I bring it to you. And this is why I try to explain it to you too. And this is from Wrecked Fencer, right? He says, hiring a TikTok intern. He's not skipping a beat, right? Pay $100K a month, your job. Scroll TikTok 24/7 and catch every trend early so I can bid on chain memes. You think you're the one? Drop a comment and make sure you follow me so I can DM you. So freaking funny. I may copy this. Just saying. The time is now to take action, guys. That's why. So I hope you found this insightful, useful, funny, if anything. And I hope you're locked in, ready to make as much money as possible. I hope you got your routines down, you're sleeping early, you're eating good. I hope you cut all drama out of your life, because you will not make it if you are spending your time in little petty fights and drama that sucks your energy, okay? So take care, and I will see you guys here in tomorrow's video. Ciao.